Hey guys, how to lock hidden photos on iPhone. So first of all, go ahead to the settings, right? Scroll a little bit down to find photos, right? So I'm gonna click apps, then search for photos, all right? And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and toggle on the lock ID or facial recognition or touch ID or passcode, right? And once you turn it on, this ensures that accessing the hidden album requires authentication through your chosen method. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.